This is Jonathan Ulahay. So I'll be discuss the tips for healthy eating. So this is the 5 tips for healthy eating. So number 5, eat less salt, no more than 6 grams a day for adults. So eating too much salt can raise your blood pressure. People with high blood pressure are more likely to develop heart disease or have a stroke. So if you have a lot of salt that you eat, so possible you are magkakaroon ka talaga ng sakit ng katulad ng so makakaranas ka talaga ng mga sakit na you increase the blood pressure of your body, and you experience a stroke and high blood pressure. Kaya dapat natin iwasan talaga yung grabing pagkain ng asin or salt. Even if you don't not add salt to your food, you may still be eating too much. Kasi yung mga pagkain natin maraming mga sangkap. Just like junk foods, diba? So we eat too much na hindi natin alam. Dahil nga yung yung pagkain na yun is marami talaga salt. Be less talaga tayo pagdating sa mga ganyang pagkain. About 3/4 of salt you eat is already in the food when you buy it, such as breakfast, cereals, soaps, breads, and sausages. Kaya yun nga, hindi talaga natin may iwasan kasi yung mga pagkain natin ay may mga salt, may mga asin talaga. And we should aware be less to eat so that we can overcome the consequences. Use food labels to help you down. More than 1.5 gram of salt per 100 gram means the food is high in salt. So malalaman talaga natin kung gaano na talaga karami ating kinain na salt sa ating katawan. Adults and children age 11 and over should eat no more than 6 grams of salt, about a teaspoonful a day. Younger children should have even less to have a healthy body. What happens if you eat food without salt? And in several cases, low sodium levels in the body can lead to muscle cramps, or eventually lack of salt can lead to shock, coma, and death. Severe salt loss is very unlikely to happen because our diets contain more than enough salt. So this is the 5 tips for healthy eating.